Welcome back to Jolt the Volt. This is
Kyle Moore.
And I am Michael Carver. We are with Hanley LED and Grimco. We've made an amazing upgrade to our energy bar, right?
Yeah.
It is now the same energy bar people are used to, but with our new Swift Connect watertight wiring. We're going to say no to what?
No wire nuts, no wire stripping. All you need is this little guy here.
And this little guy here. Well, these are easy enough. We need to do what?
I think we need some help, some experienced help.
We've got some experienced help here today. 18 years of experience, right? 18 years of life experience. We've got Cooper, we've got Andrew right here to join us today. All right, well, how are we going to do it? Well, one, it's so easy.
A kid could do it.
So we have this Swift Connect. So there's this little socket which goes with this little line of a cylinder. It's just so tiny. So you take the line of the cylinder and you put the line of the cylinder in the little socket. So you push it in, and then you twist. And the one Cooper's going to do only lights up this bottom one, but the one I'm using lights up these three.
Save time, shake a stick at long installs. So easy.
A kid could do it.
Why did the police go to the baseball game?
Why's that, Andrew?
Because they heard someone steal second base.